Good morning, everyone. So, got outside to finish yesterday evening, as you may have seen on some of the videos I uploaded. And this morning we're going to cover it. So the plan is to just give it a little bit of a roll over and back. It was rolled fairly well as it was going in. So it's only just the top layer that needs a little bit of a tramp or a roll, depending on what part of the country you're from. So just going to give it a once over and back on it, and we'll get the cover on it then. Beautiful morning again. Sun splitting the trees. Teleporter's ideal for the job because of its weight. It weighs something around 6 and 7 tons. So there's plenty of weight in it to help to flatten out all the grass. It's probably the driest we've ever had silage in, and it is quite fluffy. Even rolling it here, you can see it's not just going together like it normally would if it was damp. But there is a very nice sweet smell of it. So I would say it should make very, very good stuff. So the pit is covered, thankfully. After that video ended, just finished off the little bit of rolling that had to be done, or tramping the pit. And here we got the plastic pulled on. There's 4 layers of plastic on it. And then all the sandbags then went into position. Then put on these 4 rows of lorry tyres, put them on the teleporter and the forks. Just lift them into position and drop them in place. And when we had that done, then we started throwing on some of the tyres, but at that stage it was coming around 12 o'clock, half 12, and it was extremely warm today. It's up there with the warmest day we've had in this good spell of weather. It was about 26, 27 degrees, and there was only 3 of us doing it, so we said, feck it, we'll leave it until this evening, which is what we done. We finished it off then there, it's just after 8 o'clock, so finished it off about 7:30 when everything had cooled down. But yeah, worked out well. Jewels are still in the teleporter, haven't been taken off yet. But yeah, we'll take them off tomorrow. We're not just finished yet for the evening. I hooked on the mower, greased it up, and I'm going to do a little bit of mowing of hay. It's showing a good week for the rest of the week, so I'm going to go up there now and start to do a little bit of cutting. So I'll take a little bit of footage when I get up there.